This is one of my biggest projects yet, and I'm going to tell you how much it all cost. I'm ripping up my kitchen floor to install water underfloor heating. This is the full download, and surprisingly it's more affordable than you might think. And for all the keyboard warriors out there, no, I'm not covering the cost of the tools. Firstly, there's a lot to remove, so you're going to need a skip. The skip was an 8-yard skip and it was £228 from Beginners Bros. Once we dug down about 450mm, it was time to fill it back in with MOT1, and because I was smart, I used the rubble from the concrete floors as a filler, so I only needed 5 tonne of MOT1, which cost £225. I whacked it down and then put 2 tonne of building sand on top, which cost £120, and the whacker plate was only £35 rental for a day. After the sand, I installed the DPM sheet, which was £36. And you're going to love this bit. This is C25 concrete being poured by a professional, £500 for the concrete and £250 for the pump team, which was well worth paying for because I didn't have to barrow 80 full barrows of concrete through the house. I smoothed the surface off and then waited until it dried. Once the concrete had cured, I could install the amenities for the kitchen island, which cost around £80. This is your next big cost. It's the insulation. I went with 100mm Ecotherm insulation on the floor and 25mm for the upstands, which cost just over £400. But don't worry, all of these material costs are going to be on the screen at the end of the video. And if you like to see projects broken down in this way, then please drop me a follow. And now for the installation of the woven membrane, which was actually one of the most confusing parts of this project. There seems to be some controversy online whether you need this, but let me tell you, it is essential. And now for what you've all been waiting for, the water underfloor heating itself. The manifold from Warm Up Pro, the clips, the pipes, the foam tape, and the thermostat all came in at £1,250. With all the prep work ready, it was time for me to give Wattmix a call to make up the Floor Screed, which I'd be using on this floor. Floor is designed to let the heat from the water underfloor heating pipes through very quickly, which makes it a more efficient system. The Screed itself cost roughly £750, and the amazing pump team concept construction cost another £750. The only issue I had with laying the Screed was the fact we did it at 6 AM in the morning. With the Screed in, the only thing left to do was connect everything to the boiler, which roughly cost around £200 in materials. So the final cost is a little over £4,700. And here is the material cost breakdown for you, and it's time for me to finally have a break. Oh no, wait, I've still got to finish the kitchen off. Make sure you like and follow to see the progress.